Black holes are among the most interesting and mysterious things in our universe. A black hole is an area in space where the gravitational pull is so powerful that not even light, the fastest known thing in our universe, can escape. Welcome to Meta Magics. The event horizon of a black hole is a point of no return beyond which humans literally cannot see. When anything passes beyond the event horizon, it falls into the singularity of the black hole, an infinitely tiny, endlessly dense place where space, time, and physics no longer apply. Scientists have proposed various forms of black holes, the most common of which are stellar and supermassive black holes. When large stars die and collapse, stellar black holes arise. They range in size from 10 to 20 times the mass of our Sun and are found all around the cosmos. In the Milky Way alone, there might be millions of these star black holes. In comparison, supermassive black holes are huge, measuring millions, if not billions, of times the mass of our Sun. Scientists can only speculate on how they arise, but we do know they exist at the heart of nearly every massive galaxy, including our own. Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the core of the Milky Way, has a mass of nearly 4 million suns and a circumference about the size of our Sun. Because black holes are invisible, scientists can only identify and study them by observing their influence on neighboring matter. This includes accretion disks, which develop as gases and dust fall toward a black hole, and quasars, which are particle jets that erupt from supermassive black holes. Until the 20th century, black holes were mostly unknown. Using Einstein's general theory of relativity, a German scientist called Karl Schwarzschild estimated in 1916 that any mass may be squeezed tightly enough to produce a black hole. However, it was not until 1971 that the theory became a reality. The first black hole was identified by astronomers studying the constellation Cygnus. There are an uncountable number of black holes strewn across the cosmos, continually twisting space and time, transforming whole galaxies, and inspiring both scientists and our collective imagination.